Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a cartoon Venom. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting up here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this. And then I'm going to make a big line that kind of curves around up to here. Then I'm going to leave just a little bit of space, do the same thing, kind of curve around. Then come to a point, and then make it kind of bigger at the bottom. Then starting here, I'm going to add two little curved lines. And then I'm just going to add a little line that's just going to kind of go around into like a big smile. Going to make a little line down here. And then I'm just going to draw a little bit shorter one right here. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve around, and it's going to come up to here. And then inside of here, I'm going to add some sharp teeth. And then I want to do the same thing down here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw his crazy, crazy tongue. I'm going to have it just kind of curve around here. And then I'm just going to add a quick little line here. And then one that kind of curves around to here. And I'll add a little curved line right there. We'll connect it there. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line around there. And then I'm just going to add a big sad face for the top of his head. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve around and then just come up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to add two little curved lines for his neck. Then I'm going to add a big shoulder here and then part of the shoulder right here. I'm going to add a line that goes out and then one that's going to kind of curve. Do the same thing here, just kind of go out and then just kind of curve it. Then I'm going to add his claws up here. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to add a big line that kind of curves around. I'm going to draw this line down. Then I'm going to add another claw right here. Then another one here. And then for his thumb, I'm going to bring it up and I'm just going to kind of curve it down. Then I'm just going to curve this line around for his hand. Then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll start by drawing one claw like this. We'll add another one in here. And then one right here. I'm going to add a claw shape here. And then I'm just going to draw a line down and then kind of connects over here for his hands. Let's kind of connect this here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves here and then a line that curves here. Add a couple little lines right here for his arms. And then we'll make two little lines that come down here for his body. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and it's going to curve in. And we'll just keep his foot simple, draw a little line that goes out and comes in. Add a couple little toes onto here. And then I'll curve into here and then add a little line up. Draw a little line across and the same thing over here, go out and then down. Give him just a couple little toes. Curve in, and then a little angle line here. Then we're going to put his little symbol on his chest. So I'm just going to draw a little line that goes up and down, over, and then up and down again. We'll just kind of bring him in. Bring a line that goes up and down. And same thing over here, up and down. We're going to go up and down again, just to make those first two legs. One that goes down here, out and down, and then we'll draw the same shape. Same thing here. And then we'll just kind of bring these up, and then just make a round shape right there. And there you go. There's your drawing of a cartoon Venom. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.